Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly what you have to do is to open Play Store. Then in Play Store you have to tap on your account icon here, go to the Manage Apps and Device, go to the updates available. So here you can see all of your unupdated apps. You can update them one by one by tapping the update button next to them, or you can just tap update all and update them all at once, or just update one app that you need right now and forget about others. So you have different options here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.